easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to add your Facebook contacts on your TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up TikTok app on your mobile phone. You can contact your Facebook profile to your TikTok. You can add your friends that you have on Facebook to your TikTok. So it's actually really easy to do. First of all, once you get to your account, you will open up your profile and it will take you right here. On our TikTok profile, we have followers, and I want to add my Facebook friends as my followers, and I want to add them on my TikTok. For that, what I will do is I will click on this plus option, which is next to the account name at the top left corner. You can see right here, it's an icon of add friends. So I'm going to click right here. So here we have contacts and Facebook friends. So you have to select Facebook friends. Sync your Facebook friends list to connect with them on TikTok. Allow TikTok to access email address to improve your experience. You will click on OK and it will open up your Facebook for you. You have to log into your account, then your Facebook will be connected to your TikTok, and you can contact your friends on Facebook to join you on TikTok, to become your follower. You can follow them to enjoy TikTok videos. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.